Hi everyone, welcome back to the last day of our phonics focus, soft G. And when we see it in G-E, G-I, or G-Y, when we combine that with these vowels, it's going to change it from a g sound to a j sound. What does it say? J. What does it say?
J.
Okay, so remember, at this point, we're going to now do whole word blending. We're going to take all the skills that we know about our blending, and we're just going to put those together. All right, we're going to get started now. All right, let's take a look at the first word. Ready? Open vowel syllable, long vowel, 3, 2, 1.
Southwest.
Long vowel A, 3, 2, 1.
Agent.
Long vowel I, 3, 2, 1.
Nitrogen.
Last one here, open vowel, 3, 2, 1.
Detergent.
We read for fluidity, 3, 2, 1.
Digest. Agent.
Nitrogen, and
Detergent.
detergent. What is it that you notice in this line? Teachers, thumbs when you're ready. Miss Yakimowicz, what did you notice?
I noticed that all of the words have the G-E and makes the G make the soft G sound, which is J.
You're right. So I almost circled the wrong one right there. G-E, G-E, G-E. Okay, anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Miss T.
They're multisyllabic.
Very good. They're multisyllabic words. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Miss Hernandez.
Detergent has the spelled E-R.
Yes, we have the sound over here, E-R. Something else that I wanted to point out, which I vocalized to you, is that I said open vowel. Open vowel, open vowel, open vowel, which means that the vowel, it's saying its name, okay? So being mindful that when the syllable ends in a vowel, for the most part, it follows the rule of saying its name. All right, let's jump over to line 2. Okay, here we go. Teachers, when you're ready, 3, 2, 1. Gibberish, gigantic, biologist. We read that for fluidity, 3, 2, 1.
Gibberish, gigantic,
biologist. What did you notice? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
They all have the G-I, which gives it the J sound.
So we have the G-I, G-I, and G-I. Very nicely done. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Miss T.
They're also multisyllabic.
Yes, they're all multisyllabic. And then for those of you who are word detectives or are sound detectives for that matter, we have the sh in that first one, gibberish. And what is that?
Digraph.
Yes, yes, Miss Yakimowicz, it is a digraph, which means 2 letters, 2 different sounds, right, combined to make one new sound. All right, let's go ahead and jump over to line 3. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Gymnastics, energy, and gymnasium. Ooh, that was tricky. Let's try that again. We read for fluidity, 3, 2, 1. Gymnastics, energy, gymnasium. All right. What did you notice in this line? Sorry, that was my phone. Yes. What did you notice, Ms. Yakimowicz?
I noticed that they all have the G-Y, which makes the J sound.
Yes, so we have the G-Y, G-Y, and G-Y here. And I just want you to note that the G-Y itself doesn't make the J sound necessarily. I want to point out that the Y here still has its role. So here it's saying it. This one's saying E because it's at the end. Remember, we talked about that. And then here's it again, okay? Being mindful of that. But it's seeing that letter, that E, the I, or the Y, that's changing this G to say J, J, J. All right, let's jump over to our sentence here. Teachers, we're gonna go ahead and be word detectives, boys and girls, you do the same. Hit that pause button, think about it. How many words can you find in here that have the G-E, G-I, or G-Y spelling? All right, take a moment to think about it, look at it, be those word detectives. Teachers, when you're ready, start showing me those fingers. Dang, all right, Miss T, what's the first word that you found?
Agent.
Agent, very good. Ms. Yakimowicz?
Ex-gymnast.
Ex-gymnast, whoa. And Ms. Hernandez?
Generation.
Generation, and we haven't talked about the shun ending there. And one more, Ms. T?
Gypsies.
Gypsies. So here we go again. We read for fluidity, 3, 2, 1. Agent. Ex-gymnast. Oh, sorry.
Generation.
And
Gypsies.
Wow. Again, that T-I-O-N is going to say shun. T-I-O-N, shun. Okay. As a first grader, you're not expected to know that. That's extra. All right. The rest of the words should be either blendable, CVCs, or high frequency words. So we can go ahead and read that together. Ready? Teachers, when you're ready, 3, 2, 1.
The
The
agent
agent
was
Was
an
an
ex-gymnast
ex-gymnast
from
from
a
a
past
past
generation
generation
of
of
gypsies.
gypsies. Miss Yakimowicz, can you reread that for fluidity, please?
the agent was an ex-gymnast from a past generation of gypsies.
Yes. And Miss T, can you scoop that for us?
Agent was an ex-gymnast from a past generation of gypsies.
Very nice. And Miss Hernandez, is it decoding time?
No, it's
What's her name?
encoding time.
You did a peekaboo there. You're right. It is encoding time. Boys and girls, you'll need that marker, that paper, pencil, or the whiteboard, whatever you may need, even your tablet if you want to go ahead and jump into our Seesaw account and do it there. All right, I've seen some of our students do that, so thank you so much. Let's get started. And I know this is intimidating, but this is day 5 for you, so you can do it. You've been doing so well. Let's keep it up. First word, the word is gibberish. Gibberish. What is it? Gibberish. J-ib, jib, b-er, ish, ish. J-ib, b-er, ish. Gibberish. Show me, teachers. Excellent. The double B there. All right, next word is liturgy. What is it? Liturgy. It, lit, G, it, J-E, liturgy. Show me, teachers. Excellent spelling.
Ooh.
Just being mindful that this has 3 different spellings, and it's okay. You know what? I'm very proud of you, Miss Yakimowicz. The most common of those spellings of the is ER. So we have E-R-I-R-U-R. So the fact that you put ER is amazing. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and jump to word 3. The word is detergent. What is it? Detergent. Gent. And this is ER. Gent. Detergent. Show me, teachers. Excellent, excellent. Keep up the good work. We're jumping now to the second column. Here we go. The word is angelic. What is it? Angelic. Gel. Ick. Angelic. Show me, teachers. Angelic. Yes, you have it right. Thank you. Next word. Number 5. The word is messenger. What is it? Messenger. Mess. Sen. Gerb. Messenger. Show me, teachers. Yes, that double S. Thank you so much. Jumping to the last word here. Don't get intimidated. The word is gymnastics. What is it? Gymnastics. Gym. Nas. Ticks. Gymnastics. Show me, teachers. Awesome sauce, awesome sauce. Now we're at the sentence. Remember, boys and girls, you can hit that pause button and use the scaffold, use the time to write the scaffold down. If you don't need the scaffold, you can go ahead and write as I say or dictate back to you. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest. Awesome, here we go. All right, I know it looks intimidating, but you can do it. It's day 5. The word is, okay, the agency, Jen, E-C, A-J-N-C, agency. The agency had a vacancy, can, E-C, vacancy, for a And here's your word, nice. Ice. Ice. Nice. The word is agent. 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 Who can? And I helped you out with this one. The word is right. 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 And the last word is legibly. Edge. Ledge. Ib. Lee. Edge. Ib. Legibly. Teachers, when you're ready, show me your work. Yes, beautifully done. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome sauce. Pat yourselves on the back. Job well done. Remember, boys and girls, that's it for this week of our focus on the soft G. You've had a long week of trying all these different words, and it's not easy, and we're all very proud of you for trying your very best. Now that you know the rule, now you can try your best to apply it as you read it in your books. Boys and girls, have a fun weekend. I'll see you again next week with another round of phonics. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.